Hey guys, welcome to Guaranty RV. We're out here in Junction City. We have a massive campus. We have everything. We sell new cars, new trucks, used trucks, trailers, fifth wheels, motorhomes, toy haulers, tent trailers, you name it, we have it. And today I'm talking about a Jayco. I'm talking about a Jayco Rocky Mountain Edition. That's a super nice little trailer for a small family or even a couple. You get a couple of propane tanks. This should have a cover on it, but it will if you decided that you were going to buy it. We order all of our units in with this super deal because this is a power tongue jack that lifts this up and down. It also provides you a light in the evening. You got some diamond plate here, a running light so you can see what's going on. I don't know if you know it or not, but Guaranty sets you up to go camping. We provide you a starter kit, everything it takes. You can pull out of here and you can go camping. This is a little setup here for a solar panel. Little plug-and-play solar panel. They used to go on the ceiling, on the roof of the coach, but they don't anymore. Come on in and take a look at it. First of all this awning all the way down. So you can pull the awning out and set up camp right here. I want to point out that this does have a thermal package on it, which means that you can take this up to the snow for a few days and it's going to be just fine. The underside of it is covered. It also has solar on the side with nice keys, double axle. I recommend a double axle. Nice tinted windows. I love the big awning. The awning is spectacular. And this unit weighs 4,300 pounds on dry. So you can pull it with a number of different vehicles. This is nice. You get a nice open bedroom here with a really nice bed. A place if you need to put a CPAP machine, a plug-in. This is a Simmons mattress that they've put on here. Plenty of storage above and in each side of the bed here. So you've got a great wardrobe area. Little privacy if you want to pull this closed. Has a spectacular bathroom for being just a small trailer. This is just a 21-foot trailer, which is a measurement that I often hear. So there you can see it's got a really nice bathtub, a skylight in the shower, a big mirror on the vanity here, and a porcelain toilet. So that's going to last and last and last for you guys. All the air conditioning is ducted in so it's evenly dispersed around the RV. Again, you have a beautiful large refrigerator here. So this is one of the biggest fridges they make, and it's one of the smallest trailers that we offer, that any dealership offers. So this is that's a big benefit to you. You don't want to have a bunch of ice chests you have to fiddle around with. Also, I noticed that with other manufacturers, they're forfeiting the oven, but not Jayco. Jayco has been around for a long time, over 60 years, and they build a quality product. You've got a nice oven here, a range top, a vent cover, of course it's lit up, and a microwave. Everything, all of the conveniences that you would expect to be when you're at home. This is a nice little sofa. All of these windows open for cross ventilation, and this will even fold down into a little jackknife bed if you're going to take a grandkid with you. This is also going to make down into a bed for you. And you've got storage underneath these. Nice storage too, quite a bit. You could put quite a bit in here. And it's easy to get to. So you could put towels, you could put paper towels, toiletries, not toiletries, but toilet paper in there. You put a little TV up here, and I'm going to have the cameraman come back from this side and take a look at it this direction. Let's take a look at it from here. You see how big it is? This is only 21 feet. It's only 4,300 pounds. It has a terrific price point on it. It has a great big awning. But you know what? Who needs to decide if this is a nice little trailer? It's you. You're the one that counts. So please give me a call. My name is Barbara. I work here at Guaranty in trailers and vans. I'd love to visit with you. My number is 541-521-4232. Let's talk. Thank you.